so tired. Galing ko lang sa Manila. And first of all, I'm grateful for a lot of things for this day. First of all, ayun, nakarating akong ligtas. Nakauwi din ako ligtas galing sa Manila. And grateful din ako sa food na kinain ko kanina. Grateful din ako sa weather. Hindi masyadong umulan, thankfully. And yeah. And sa mga co-workers or colleagues ko na nakita ko kanina. Yan. And without further ado, and so today is July 7, so 7/11, 2025, and it's currently 9:49 p.m. So kararating ko lang from Manila, and hindi pa ako nagbibihis. So kasi excited ako buksan yung aking parcel. So samahan niyo akong buksan yung aking first e-reader. Buksan natin. Hindi na ako magbibihis. Excited. Hihinig lang tayo kasi wait na masyado. Let's unwrap because it's not boxed. Let's unwrap. And I got here clear case, and then the Kobo Clara color. So bakit ako bumili ng Kobo Clara? First, I've been reading since nung nag-start akong mag-aral siya. I've been a reader since Wattpad days, high school. And ayun, nag-on and off lang siya kasi na-busy sa ibang bagay. Tapos nito, bumalik ako. And I've been reading a lot of Inksteady stories. And I really love it. So, ayun, bumalik ako sa babasa. And currently now, I've been reading manhwa. I love reading manhwa. So, I decided na I will choose yung color Clara so I can also read manhwa. Ayun. I'm so excited. And nga pala, I got this from Kindle Mart sa Facebook. I will also include them or insert their details in the description below. So you can also check out. Alam ko meron din silang binibentang mga second-hand e-readers. I'm sorry. So you can also check them out. Ayan. So let's open. Let's appreciate muna yung box. Let's appreciate kasi ilang months ako magtitipid niyan. Deserve. Okay. Oh. Okay. Anong ganito to? Ito na tingnan muna natin yung mga inclusion sa box. So, ito yung color black na Kobo color. And tabi muna natin siya dyan. Tignan ko pa kung ano yung mga laman ng box. And then, meron ding start guide. And then, Chene. And the charger. And that's it. And then, ito nga pala, yung freebie na case. And then, dito tayo sa ating device. Let's open. Click daw siya. One click lang ba? Okay. So, pili tayo ng language. Hindi ko muna tatanggalin yung protective film. Welcome to Kobo. And let's begin. Let's start. So, set up na natin siya. And then, connect daw siya sa Wi-Fi. Connecting. Okay, after ma-connect sa Wi-Fi, set time and date. Okay. Continue. Nagda-download ng update. Update. That's a perfect. Kaya lagay natin yung case. So, wala siyang mga side buttons except for yung power button. Excited na akong i-decorate siya. Tsaka mas prefer ko na light color. Gusto ko ng skin. Nalagyan ko siya ng skin. Scanning for networks. Pero loading pa. Daming loading. Kailangan ni scan. Okay. I'll be back. I need to scan. Okay. Done na ako mag-create ng account and then mag-verify ng email na ginamit. Yeah, yun na. Okay na. So, take a quick tour now. Let's take a quick tour. Find your next great read. Ooh, your e-reader is fully waterproof. Just try to keep your screen and hands dry while you're reading. That's it. Ayan. So, let's welcome my new baby. Welcome to the world. Ayun. Yeah. That's it. Thank you for watching. And see you in my next video. Bye. I'm tired. But I'm happy. I love it.